this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a full body safety harness from the company White Dew, made of high quality polyester fiber. Hook is made from alloy steel. Tennessee, stand high temperature, stable, suits for building and installing aerial work. And on this side, that's pretty much it. You know what, I already took it out and kind of looked over it. Let's just go ahead and empty the box out. That's everything you get with it. Number one, the quality of this thing looks pretty solid. The webbing looks like it's a nice sewn. That's all good sewn areas right there. You should always inspect your safety equipment every time before you use it. They have this little slider type latch right here, how to tighten it down. And it looks like all of this is kind of like, this is proper working height, full body harness, attachment, length. It shows right here, max 1.7 meters, safety zone. Oh, it does. Look, that is like a fall safe thing. So if you fall, you see what it's going to do. All of this is going to go. So you need to make sure that your max is 2 meters. Working height level, because if you fall, this right here is going to unravel and catch you, so that way you don't fall. So these will hook on to your harness. This would hook onto a rope or anything like safety equipment that's up high, and then you're working up there. And then I don't know what this little bag, maybe that little bag comes with all this stuff. I'll tell you what, let me go ahead, suit this thing up, and let's get to climbing. Let me show you how this thing works. I'm not going to jump and unravel it, but I will show you and tell you what it feels like. So let's do that now. Okay, let me show you kind of how I put this thing on. So you're going to go around the thighs. I'll use this type of clip right here. See how that just goes around the thighs on both the right and left. You can tighten it down there. The waist, you have a waist cinch down, and these are these push in. You see how they're kind of like spring loaded, push in. I really like the way this thing feels. It actually feels like I'm not wearing much of nothing. And over the shoulders and around the back, it goes around like that. And the two hooks are right here. So you got your two hooks, and that's where these things come in handy. And these things feel like a beast. You're gonna mash in with the palm and see how that one opens. Nice big clips for clipping in, just like that. And then this part will be what you install or you clip into like your safety, wherever you got it tied off, which I have a tree over here tied off. I'm going to remove a light and screw that up. And what that's going to do, if you do fall, this right here is going to give you the slack. So it's not going to be a quick burst. It's going to be, it looks like it's about 1.2 or 2 meters. So 2 meters before it catches up right there. Everybody, I think this is going to be great for any type of work where I have to be on the roof or working on my shed or working in trees or anything like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, safety harness, full body safety harness. See you all in the next video.